This is the true story
True story.
of real questions
I mean it!
from real people who are just trying to figure out what happens when real estate professionals stop being polite
Can you get my phone?
and start being real.
Real talk.
Tuesdays at 2 on Blanchette Homes. Hello and welcome to another edition of Real Talk. I'm your host, Matt Blanchette, joined again today by Brian Andler of Movement Mortgage. Hi, Brian.
Hey, Matt, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. We're here today on Real Talk. Last time we discussed a cash out refinance, which allows homeowners to access the equity they have in their house, which they might be able to use to help them buy a new house. However, what if that's not enough?
Well, we have options,
Okay.
which is nice. We do have a product called the bridge loan.
Okay.
A bridge loan will loan you up to 75%
Okay.
of the value of your current home.
Okay.
And you can use those funds as your down payment on your new home.
Yeah.
And the great thing about the bridge loan is you don't have to make payments on your current residence that you're cashing out on for 12 months.
Okay.
Because you don't have to make those payments, we don't have to count it in the debt to income ratio calculation on the new house.
Translation, you could still get pre-approved for a new mortgage without having to pay off your existing mortgage. And that's why this is such a strong, dynamic program that is really opening doors for a lot of people. If you have stable income, you would otherwise qualify for a loan that would allow you to buy that house that you need to be in. A bridge loan might be the answer if you just need to get out from underneath your existing mortgage and transition. Now, again, not a one-size-fits-all. It does cost something, I understand.
There are discount points involved that you do have to buy in, and
Yep.
that's because it's not a long-term 30-year mortgage or
Yep.
20-year mortgage.
Yep.
The lender knows you're only going to have
Yeah.
it for a
So
short
I've done this
period of
before. We want to keep it real on this show. It's going to wind up costing you $5,000 to $10,000.
time. Probably, yes.
Ballpark figure. There is a monetary cost that allows you to use this bridge loan so that you are a competitive buyer in this market, and you don't have to figure out, how am I going to sell this house? Am I going to be under the pressure of trying to buy a new house in a low inventory market? We can solve that with a bridge loan. And last question before we end this particular episode. Do they have to use a bridge loan? Let's say they sell their house before they close on their new house. Do they still have to use the bridge loan?
Not at all.
Right. So you're not locked in, but having a bridge loan that is not contingent on the sale of a property could help you win that offer. And then you might not even need to use it. So it's definitely worth a conversation. This is a dynamic loan. Not many people offer it. And it's a way that we've been making our buyers successful. And I'd love to answer any more questions you have. Please drop me a DM and let me know if this interests you at all and you think it might be able to help you. So Brian, thanks for being with us. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.